Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on server costs with DigitalOcean, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving on server costs with DigitalOcean, first, visit the DigitalOcean website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your DigitalOcean dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Droplets section. Understand your resource needs before launching a droplet. Choose a plan that suits your project's requirements based on CPU, RAM, and storage. Consider using the smallest possible droplet size for development or testing environments. Explore the option of using DigitalOcean's app platform for cost-effective application hosting. Leverage the ability to scale resources up or down as needed. Utilize DigitalOcean spaces for object storage instead of traditional droplets when feasible. Monitor your usage regularly from the dashboard. Identify any underutilized resources that can be downscaled or removed. Look into reserved instances if you have long-term projects to achieve significant savings. Take advantage of tags to categorize resources for better management and cost tracking. Implement automatic backups and snapshots judiciously, as they can add to costs. Review the billing section to understand your usage patterns and costs. Limit token requests if you are using the API to avoid unexpected charges. Set up alerts for spending thresholds to help maintain your budget. Finally, familiarize yourself with DigitalOcean's documentation and community forums for tips and tricks. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your server costs with DigitalOcean. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.